Hello friends, welcome to UGC NetGate Studios. In today's video, we will discuss a question on Linux file system of operating system. This question was asked in June 2020 of the UGC NET exam. Let's see the question. Suppose you have a Linux file system where block size is 2 kilobytes, disk address is 32 bits and an inode contains the disk addresses of the first 12 direct blocks of file, a single indirect block and a double indirect block. What is the largest file size that can be represented by an inode? So here let me explain. The inode stands for index node in a Linux file system. This inode is index node. Okay. Now the question is asked. Let us first break up the question and solve it step by step. So here we have a block size is 2 kilobytes. Now each block, here it is mentioned that each block is of 2 kilobytes. So let me first write it down, the solution. Block size is 2 kilobytes. Okay. Now disk address is 32 bits, means address of the disk is disk address is 32 bits. Okay. Now the inode contains the disk address of the first two direct blocks. So here there are direct blocks, in single indirect block and a double indirect block. Now let me first explain the concept of this direct, indirect and double indirect block in case of an inode. See here I am representing it diagrammatically. Suppose this is an inode, okay, index node. It has been divided into blocks. So a pointer to a, suppose these are my pointers to different address blocks. So in this case these are the direct blocks which has been pointed to directly. These are the direct blocks that are pointed by the inode directly. Now these are indirect blocks. It may be many. These are indirect blocks. Okay. So in this case these are indirect blocks. Single indirect. Okay. Single indirect. Now coming to these are double indirect blocks. Okay, these are double indirect. Let me write it down here. These are double indirect blocks. So as per question we have 12 direct blocks, means this type of blocks we have 12. Okay, and single, this indirect block we have a single indirect block and a single double indirect block. All these blocks are of size, it is given each block size is 2 kilobyte. So this block size is 2 kilobyte, this block size is 2 kilobytes, and we have 12 such blocks. Here it is also 2 kilobytes, here it is also 2 kilobytes. Okay. Now let me find out. So it has asked what is the largest file size that can be represented by, that can be represented by an inode. Okay, it has been asked here what is the largest file size that can be represented by an inode. So how will find it out now? So here are 2 kilobytes, 12 of 2 kilobytes. Now let us find out the address. This block. Now let us take the example of this block. This block is pointing to one indirect block. Okay. Now number of addresses a block can point to. Number of addresses means this block it can point to how many addresses? We have to calculate here. Number of addresses a block can point to. This will be calculated by using the formula block size by address size. Okay, so here the block size is 2 kilobytes. So I'm writing here 2 kilobytes. Address size is given in 32 bits. 32 bits. Now this 2 kilobyte, let me convert it to bytes. Okay, so 2 into 2 power 10, it will be bytes. Kilobytes to bytes, kilo 2 power 10, 1024. So in that respect, 2 into 2 power 10 bytes, and these 32 bits, if I convert it to bytes, I know in this case we know 1 byte is 8 bits. So as per this 32 bits, it will be 4 bytes. Now if I am solving it, it will be 2 power 2. So 2 into 2 power 10. This bytes will be cancelled out, and 2 square. 4 is 2 square. So by solving it, I will be getting 2 power 9. Okay. So this is number of addresses a block can point to. So this block can point to 2 power 9 addresses. So in this case, it will be 2 power 9. This block can point to 2 power 9 addresses. In turn can point to 2 power 9 addresses. Okay. So I am getting it. Now let us solve it. What is the largest file size that can be represented by an inode? Largest file size. So 2 kilobytes of 12. So 12 into 2 kilobytes plus I have a single indirect block. Only single. I have a single indirect block. So single, it will be 2 kilobyte. Size is 2 kilobyte into 1 single, and here I have to multiply 2 power 9. Why? Because this block will point to 2 power 9 addresses, which in turn will point to 2 power 9 more addresses. So in this case, a block can point to 2 power 9 addresses. Then plus a double indirect block, single and a double indirect block. There is a single double indirect block, means this one single, it is double indirect block, but only one is there. Okay. So since only one, it will be 2 KB into 1, and this 2 power 9 into 2. Here it is a single, here it is double. So 2 power 9 into 2 power 9. So 2 power 9 into 2 power 9. Now just by solving this one, we'll be getting the largest file size that can be represented by an inode. Okay. So here 2 KB is common everywhere. I can take a 2 kilobytes common. So here it will be 12 plus this will be 2 power 9, and this will be 2 power 9 plus 9, it will be 18. Okay. So 2 kilobytes, it can be converted to 2 into 2 power 10, it will be bytes. So again 12 plus 2 power 9 plus 2 power 18. So it will be 2 power 11, 2 power 10 and 2 power 1, it is 2 power 11. So I'll be multiplying it inside the braces, then it will be 12 into 2 power 11 plus 2 power 9 into 2 power 11 plus 2 power 18 into 2 power 11. Okay. So now, so 12 into 2 power 11, let it remain at it is 12 into 2 power 11 plus this will be 2 power 20, and this will be 2 power this will be 2 power 29. 2 power 20. Okay. Now let make some conversions. So this will be 12 into 2 power 11, let it be at it is. Then it is 1 MB. This is 1 MB. 2 power 20 is 1 MB, and this is 2 power 9 into 2 power 20. Okay, I am breaking it and writing it 2 power 9 into 2 power 20. 2 power 20 is 1 MB. So again 12 into 2 power 11 plus 1 MB plus this is 2 power 9 is 512, and this is 2 power 20, again it is MB. 2 power 9 is 512, 2 power 20 is 1 MB. So now you have to remember these conversions. Some of the conversions you have to remember, like 2 power 10 it is kilobyte, 2 power 20 it is megabyte, 2 power 30 it is gigabytes. You have to remember all these. Some of the conversions you have to remember for easy calculation of the equations. So now it will be again 12 into 2 power 11. So this 512 MB and 1 MB, it will be equal to 513 MB. So now this part I am saying about this part. In this part you can do one thing. See, it is MB, means it is nearly to the power of 2 power, see, MB 2 power 20, and it is 2 power 11, so it is negligible. In contrast to this, in respect to this, it is negligible, so you can neglect this term. In such type of equations you can simply neglect, means in this type of equations you can simply neglect this term, because in comparison to 2 power 20, this 2 power 11 is nearly small, because to convert it to kb you have to write 2 power 10. So in this case it will be 24 kb. See, I am writing it. If I convert it, it will be 12 into 2 into 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is kb. See, 2 power 10 is kb. 12 2 is 24. 2 power 11 I am writing it as 2 into 2 power 10. So 12 2 is 24 kb. So it is small in comparison to MB. It is negligible, so you can neglect this term. So your final answer will be 513 MB. Okay, this is the final answer that has been asked. What is the largest file size that can be represented by an inode? So the largest file size is 513 MB. In the option there is 513 MB, which will be the right answer for this question. So in such type of question you can simply frame this diagram in your mind, or simply you can put it in a rough paper, so it will be easy for calculation. This is a direct block, indirect block, and if there are two references it is a double indirect block. And this formula you have to remember, it is an important formula. Number of addresses a block can point to, it is block size by address size. This is block size will be given here, and this is the address size. So by just only one formula and remember this reference, so you will be able to solve this kind of questions easily. Okay, so hope this video helps you out. So do practice such type of questions, and send us any question in our Telegram group, so that we can help you out in solving this type of question. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.